Dante. Yeah. Because it was bad.
One time I was driving along here and I saw a whale.
Oh. All right, there's a school of whales in this water, ladies and gentlemen. Just heard it from the KGirl. A school of whales are in that water. Until the water's over. Well, it looks like a long way.
What do you tell to look at the YouTube video? Your family?
Nobody.
Oh, look at the waves. They're pretty great.
Ooh, big waves. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Pacific Ocean. It starts with a P. No. We're good. We had, oh, by the way, we have a new hawk. The hawk was in front of our house while we were away. So it is now our hawk. We're going to give him a name.
His name is
Harry?
Harry. Harry the Hawk.
Harry the Hawk. All right, you heard it. Harry the Hawk. Uh-oh. Hakeem. Hakeem the Hawk.
Hakeem.
Yeah.
You guys should check out that place sometime, Gail. It's right. The Shore House. Shore House Inn, I think it is. Shore House or Purple House? I think they have pretty good prices. Oh, look it! Did you see something just jumped out of the water, Frankie?
Oh. Well, it's on the video. At the 2-minute mark.
Now the light's too bright. Jumped out of the water trying to get the bird.
Wow, really?
Black.
Might have been a shark.
Might have been a whale.
Whales eat birds?
It didn't look like a dolphin, or maybe it's a seal. Like it looked like a big fin or something.
It's beautiful water. We're in the car right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, it's so bright you can't really see.
As you see the sun shining off the water, and that water looks wonderful. You're in the video. It's a beautiful ocean. It's way better than the Atlantic. I'm sorry for you folks on the East Coast, but the Pacific Ocean is better than the Atlantic. Strawberry pickers, ladies and gentlemen, and palm trees.
So they're strawberries. But why would they be strawberries? It looks like strawberries. They look red. Red.
What's this freeway, the 101?
Yeah.
We are on the 101. Oh, stupid truck. Yep. It's like my video diary.
I don't have videos of anything. I never have video cameras. You neither. It's like when my kids were growing up, we took still pictures of them. Yeah, and Jane and Debbie always had video cameras or we take videos all the time. We could afford that.
I'm putting my will online.
Your will?
Yeah. Like when I go.
Like get your phone.
Yeah. When I go, put my phone in my pocket. Video me going into the ground. All right, that's a little morbid, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to be here another few hundred years. So don't wait for that day.